Hi friends, my name is Achal and I am from Isaac. So today in this class we will solve the another problem. So it is based on strings. So let us read the problem statement. So given two strings. So first of all we have to take two strings S1 and S2 and returns a string of the form short plus long plus short. So written the form short plus long plus short with the shorter string on the outside. Please read the statement with the shorter string on the outside. So outside should be the shorter and inside should be the longer. See, longer string on the inside. The strings will not be same length. So we will give the S1 and S2, right? So user inputs, it should not be same length. And but they may be empty. So but they may be empty. Okay. So I hope you got it. You understand the problem statement. So let us write the code. So import java.util dot star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. It's a string, right? String we have to take string s1 is equal to sc dot next line. So string, right? We have to use next line. So string s2 is equal to sc dot next line. So next line. So now I'll write the if condition, simple if condition. Simple if condition. So what the statement? Return a string of the form short, long, dash, the shorter string on the outside. Okay. So if in the if condition, I will write if s1 dot length is less than s2 dot length. So what I'm writing, if s1, like whatever the input will give in the s1, that length is less than s2 dot length, s2 dot length. So then we have to give the shorter string on the outside and larger string on the inside. So what we will do, simply we will do. So S1 should be the shorter, right? So starting with shorter, S1 plus S2 plus S1. I hope you got it. Like I'm checking the length, simple length. So S1's length. S1's length is this one and S2's length is this one. So I'm checking if S1 length is smaller than S2. So if S1 length is smaller, if S1 length is smaller, we will write the S1 only, right? First the small string and large and small. So we have to write like this. Or otherwise, we have to reverse the string. That's it. S2 plus S1 plus S2. I hope you got it. Just we are checking whether S1 is smaller, then S1 should be the first. Like first one will be first one and last one should be S1. And if S2 is smaller, so S2 and S2 will be the first and S2 will be the last. Inside the larger string will be appear. I hope you got it, like the small logic. So first of all, we have taken two strings. So, and the second step, what is second step? So we have to think, so how to write the condition. So we are having a length method s1 dot length and s2 dot length. So we can calculate the string through length. So with the calculation through link, we have to check, like we have to write the code which is less than s1 dot length less than s2 dot length. Simply we will write the s1 as first, which is smaller. Here s2 is small. Just we are getting the else. So I hope you understand the code. Uh, so semicolon is from the program. So let us write Achyut and Sujita. So which is this small string? Like let us write Jones. Let's run this program again. Jones, Anya. So we have written Anya. So Anya's length is less than, right? So second string is like S2 is smaller than S1. So first word should be Anya, and the last word should be Anya, and the middle word will be Jones. So that's the output. See, Anya, Jones, Anya. So in this online computer, getting like this, right? But so try it in the notepad, you'll get Anya, Jones, and Anya. And let us run this program again. Let's write Anya first and Jones second. So if we execute, so what will be the output? So Anya, Jones, Anya. See, Anya, Jones, Anya, Jones. I hope you got it. So S1, S2, S1. So here I'm checking S1 dot length less than S2 dot length. Okay, that's it. Small, bigger one, and small. Yes, small, bigger one, small. Sorry. Yes, the code is correct only. So let's try at your end. So you get the output. So if you like this video, please like it and please subscribe my channel and please share to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon so whenever I post in the YouTube, you will get the notification. Jai Hind.